Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're diving straight into what it really takes to land an AI job in America, like right now.
Yeah, we've got some fresh data.
Exactly. We've looked at the latest analysis of AI job postings from 2024, and guess what? The number one skill, the absolute top demand, it's Python.
Python.
So our goal today, is to really understand this landscape. What skills are genuinely valued out there in the AI job market?
Right. In this 2024 analysis, it gives a pretty clear picture. And you're spot on. Python wasn't just like a popular language. It was the single most wanted skill, period, across the board for AI jobs.
Okay, so let's unpack that. Python's at the top. We know it's a go-to language generally, but why so overwhelmingly dominant for AI roles specifically? What's the secret sauce there?
Well, what's really fascinating is just how versatile Python is within the AI world. Think about those heavy-hitting libraries, TensorFlow, scikit-learn.
Well, essential tools.
Totally essential. They're built in Python. And they're used for everything from building neural networks to running machine learning algorithms. It's basically the foundational toolkit for so much AI development and data science work. That overlap is key.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Now, right up there with Python, data analysis was another huge one. I mean, it seems obvious. AI needs data, right? But what kind of data analysis skills are employers looking for?
Good question. It goes beyond just looking at spreadsheets. If you think about AI's core job, it's really about pulling valuable insights out of, well, often messy and complex information.
Finding the patterns.
Exactly. So data analysis skills mean you can use statistical methods and, importantly, increasingly sophisticated automated machine learning techniques to spot trends, find correlations, basically extract knowledge from these massive data sets. For you, the listener, if you want to get value from data fast, it shows you need to not just have data, but really truly understand it, interpret it.
Absolutely. And it wasn't all purely technical coding stuff either. Agile methodology popped up in what, over 88,000 job postings?
Yeah, a surprisingly high number.
That feels a bit more like project management kind of creeping into the AI skill set, doesn't it?
It does, and it points to something really important about how AI projects actually get done. Agile isn't about one giant fixed plan. It's an iterative way of working.
Iterative, meaning?
Meaning you work in cycles, build a bit, test it, get feedback, refine it, then repeat. It emphasizes collaboration, flexibility, and its prevalence in AI jobs. It highlights that AI development is often pretty experimental. You need to adapt. So think small, manageable steps, continuous improvement.
Interesting. So it's less about being a lone genius coder and more about working effectively in a team that needs to pivot quickly.
Precisely, adapting to change.
Okay. Another technical skill that made the top ranks was scalability. Why is the ability to scale AI systems so crucial?
Scalability. That's where AI, goes from being a cool experiment to a real-world working application.
Right, making it actually usable at scale.
Exactly. As AI tools get used more, they have to handle just massive amounts of data, right? And they need to do it without slowing down or becoming inaccurate. Scalability skills mean knowing how to design and manage these systems so they perform well, even when the data load just explodes exponentially. That's the real challenge, making AI robust enough for the real world, not letting it break under pressure.
That really drives home the practical engineering side of AI. It's not just algorithms.
Not at all.
And finally, the data also showed something else pretty significant. Just a big jump in AI job openings overall in the U.S.
Yeah, that was striking. A 20% increase in AI job postings just in 2024.
20%? Wow.
And that meant AI jobs made up nearly 1.8% of the total share of postings. It's not niche anymore. That kind of growth really underlines how AI is spreading across different industries. It's becoming more central.
Okay, so let's try and bring it all together from this deep dive. You're looking at the AI job market today. The big takeaways are Python mastery is almost non-negotiable.
Definitely key.
Strong data analysis skills are essential. Understanding Agile, that project management side, is surprisingly important, and being able to build systems that can scale, that's highly valued.
Precisely. Those are the core competencies the market is clearly signaling right now based on this data.
And, that leads us perfectly to our final thought for you, the listener. We see these skills are in demand now, but AI is moving so fast, it's integrating everywhere. So consider this. How might these technical skills, and even the project management ones like Agile, how might they evolve? What completely new skills might suddenly become essential tomorrow as AI continues to reshape everything?
It's a fascinating question. What's the next Python or the next big hurdle after scalability?
Exactly. Something to mull over. Thanks for diving deep with us today.